My name is Jacqueline Johnson. I am a Senior IDM at Telecom Infrastructure Partners. I deal with landlords across the spectrum, as you can imagine, and when you're dealing with people who are commercial landlords, so these are people who own buildings, who, let's say, they have telecoms on their roof, sometimes they will have plans for that roof and they see the telecoms as a massive hindrance, but they've been reliant on the rent, and the rent often will go towards maintenance of the building. What we're able to do is, if we do a capital deal with them, they're able to reinvest that money back into the building. We can also provide advice on a lift and shift, which is where we would put the telecoms equipment on a temporary scaffold whilst they go ahead with their redevelopment. Then the telecoms can go back onto site. It means that the operator is still able to use that site and offer essential services to the local community without impacting the landlord's ability to redevelop his site.